4. I'm going to give you 4 proven tips on how you can get a job working for the federal government. These tips were the same ones I took and I've provided to others like you who want to work for the federal government. That's what my tutorial is all about. Because what I've learned is that it doesn't matter who you know in the federal government, it matters most what you know about getting into the federal government. And until that hiring manager can pull your name from the well-qualified applications list, they don't even know you exist. Doesn't mean you're not a great person, but what matters is the level that you receive on your application inevitably leads to referral to the hiring manager. The federal government's hiring process is highly regulated to ensure its fairness. When you're all done with your application, understand when you click apply, you're going to go to another questionnaire and they're going to ask you some hard questions. Your questions must be reflected in the information that you put in to the application on USAJOBS. So how you respond has a significant impact to your candidacy. That referral that you want to get is derived almost exclusively from the application that you've entered. That's how important it is. And it's only through USAJobs.gov, which I've said many times is the only official website used by the federal government as its recruiting tool. So let's get to tip 1, but not until I give you just 1 second to hit that like button. It helps my channel grow. Please hit like. So, number 1, get prepared mentally. The federal government application process is invasive. Preparing and reviewing your application for correctness is essential. It'll make the process go so much easier for you. Tip 2, understand how impactful your personal character as well as the characters that you type in are into your application. Now, as I said earlier, job announcements on USA Job will include screening questions. So after you finished your well-prepared application and you hit apply, there you'll find those screening questions. Number 3, communicate effectively your knowledge, skills, and ability. Federal agencies often evaluate the candidate, that's you, on relevant experience based specifically on your ability to match those keywords in the job announcement with your resume. And number 4, and most importantly, do not upload your resume. It's shooting yourself in the foot because you are assuming they will deduce your experience solely on you saying that you worked on the customer service center. No, you need to be explicit, and because all of those experiences, 10 years, are required of you in your application. Listen to me. Don't assume that they will deduce you have experience answering phones by simply saying that you worked in customer service. No, you need to be well versed and state explicitly that not only have you answered phones, but how you troubleshot working with those customers, how you engage with others in those customer service calls. Don't make the assumption that they will understand the depth of your knowledge, skills, and abilities just because you want to put a one bullet term, customer service. No. I've outlined all of these 4 tips in much greater detail in my tutorial, The Smartest Way to Get a Government Job. And when I say it's how I did it, it is completely from my experience in my application process as well as others that I've helped. So there you have it. Invasive process, character and characters, knowledge, skills, and abilities, and don't upload. Each one of those tips I fully outlined in my tutorial, The Smartest Way to Get a Government Job. My tutorial was created for you, and it's true. Each tip I'm sharing with you, I used myself to acquire my federal job. I am not sharing so that I can get more clients. I'm not. I'm not interested in clients or to sell my book. I haven't written one. I don't have a book. I don't have a tutorial class that I want you to attend. The goal is and always will be so that I can see more people that look like me working with people like you. disabled people, veterans, minority, and smart people. If you're any one of those kinds of people, follow my tutorial from the beginning at lesson number 1. Start there and follow the lessons as I'm going to provide each one time after time, week after week, all the way toward your application success and getting your foot in the door with the federal government. Until then, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and share. I'm Lisa. Put your boots on. Vet, super vet. On a soldier you can bet. Super vet. Like, share, subscribe, please, for Super Vet.